Welcome to our countdown of the best grow tents, your guide to creating a controlled indoor garden that actually works. The correct tent can make all the difference, whether you're beginning a little indoor jungle, growing vegetables in a spare room, or growing herbs on a balcony. Good grow tents control light, temperature, airflow, and humidity in addition to holding plants, allowing your garden to flourish with less work. We'll break down the best choices in this list that include robust frames, reflecting interiors, durability, clever design, and features that make daily plant care simpler and more pleasurable. So let's get started and investigate the tents that make indoor gardening easier, more hygienic, and much more enjoyable. Number 7. SPECILITE. Even if you're new to indoor gardening, the SPECILITE 3x3-foot grow tent kit is made to make it seem simple. The 250-watt full-spectrum dimmable grow light, which employs 676 LED beads to provide brilliant, natural-style lighting that supports plants through every stage, from seedlings to flowering, is its most notable feature. You have a lot of flexibility over intensity because it's dimmable, which is fantastic if you're growing a variety of plants in one area, although it may feel a bit too harsh for extremely small or delicate plants if not adjusted properly. The broad coverage and high light output are undeniable advantages. Another highlight is the ventilation system. It maintains constant circulation while controlling temperature and humidity thanks to a 4-inch inline fan, activated carbon filter, and aluminum ducting. The fan operates remarkably quiet at just 28 decibels, and the adjustable speed controller makes adjusting airflow easy. Although some users might prefer digital controls for greater accuracy, it is effective in eliminating heat and odors. The tent itself seems sturdy and well made. The robust frame and smooth zipper make everyday use easy, while the 1680D diamond grade reflective interior maximizes light. The waterproof bottom tray is a great addition for keeping things organized, and the double-stitch design effectively blocks out light. The tent's height may seem a little restrictive for particularly tall plants, which is the one small disadvantage. All things considered, it's a handy all-in-one solution that saves time, accurately matches components, and simplifies setup, perfect for both novice and seasoned growers. Number 6. TopoGrow. A handy all-in-one solution, the TopoGrow Integrated Auto Grow Tent Kit is made to make indoor growing feel much more structured and controllable. The S1000 LED grow lamp, which requires roughly 100 watts and provides powerful full-spectrum lighting for every stage of plant growth, is the main component of the package. Its adjustable dimming, which ranges from 10% to 100%, and integrated timer functionality, which enables you to manage daily light cycles, make it even more user-friendly. Although some growers might like a slightly stronger light for more demanding plants, it is dependable and effective. The grow tent's exterior is made of 600D Oxford material, and its interior is made of waterproof reflective mylar that helps distribute light throughout the area. The numerous vents make it simple to set up fans, filters, and wires without hassle, while the double stitching and heavy-duty zippers assist in minimizing light leaks. Although the tent is strong, plants that stretch during the bloom phase may feel a little constrained by its height. The ventilation system's lengthy ducting, carbon filter, and 4-inch inline fan all work together to efficiently remove heat and manage odors. Large grows can require additional power, although airflow is sufficient for small to mid-sized installations. The extensive list of extras, which includes pots, duct clamps, a humidifier, a clip fan, a nursery tray, a thermometer, rope hangers, and even net trellis support, is what truly makes this kit beginner-friendly. All things considered, it's a well-rounded beginning kit that provides ease, reliable performance, and an unexpectedly comprehensive configuration all in one box. Number 5. GA. The GA 48x48x80 grow tent is made to provide indoor gardeners with a dependable, controlled environment to support the growth of their plants. It is constructed with a 98% reflective PET mylar inner and thick 600D Oxford fabric on the exterior, which works incredibly well for retaining light inside and making the most of your grow light's illumination. Although, like most tents, meticulous zipper alignment is still necessary to ensure a perfect seal. The heavy-duty zipper and double stitching help prevent light leaks. The viewing window is among the most practical features. You may check on your plants through the window rather than unzipping the tent every time you want to take a quick look. This keeps pests out and helps regulate humidity and temperature levels. Additionally, the double-layer ventilation opening allows you to set up fans, filters, and ducting with flexibility while preventing light from escaping. Although the ports work well for majority of installations, some users might wish they were a little bit bigger. Lights and accessories are supported steadily and robustly by the metal frame. The tent feels sturdy and long-lasting because of its reinforced poles and tear-resistant material. A useful addition is the waterproof floor tray, which collects spills and makes cleaning your area simple. It is easy to set up and doesn't require any tools, making it ideal for novices. Additionally, this tent fits in closets, balconies, garages, and extra rooms with ease because it comes with a variety of sizes. All things considered, it's a dependable, well-made grow tent that skillfully strikes a balance between ease of use, stability, and light control. Number 4. Zazzy. For those wishing to grow plants indoors without taking up a lot of room, the Zazzy 24x24x36-inch grow tent is a small yet useful choice. Its double-stitched seams and thick 600D reflective mylar help keep light inside the tent and provide your plants with the bright, controlled atmosphere they require. Your setup will function better with less effort thanks to the interior's design that maximizes light efficiency. Though the tiny height may prevent taller plants, the seal frame is remarkably sturdy for a smaller tent and can hold hefty grow lights or accessories. The built-in monitoring window and smooth unzipping door are two features that gardeners truly like. You may quickly check on your plants instead of opening the tent frequently and changing the humidity or temperature. It's a minor addition, but it keeps things more stable within and simplifies everyday maintenance. Another useful feature is the detachable floor tray, which catches spills and makes cleanup easy. However, it may require regular adjustment to stay in position. Even if you have never assembled a grow tent before, the process is simple. The improved connectors, which are composed of sturdy PA material, firmly grasp the poles and provide the structure more solidity. They are made to keep everything tightly linked together and prevent corrosion, which is advantageous if you intend to move the tent from time to time. All things considered, this grow tent achieves a good mix between robustness, practicality, and effective light management. Beginners or anyone dealing with a smaller indoor growing area will find it to be a great fit. Number 3. MELONFARM. A small and useful solution for anyone wishing to establish a regulated indoor growth environment is the MELONFARM 2x2 grow tent. With its highly reflective inner lining and robust 600D double-stitched canvas shell, it helps direct light precisely where your plants need it. It is a good option if you're looking for something long-lasting because the material is strong, resistant to tearing, and designed to endure repeated use. Although smaller tents like these can warm up rapidly and may require careful ventilation, the reflective interior also works well with grow lights, helping to maintain appropriate heat and brightness inside. The big zipper door, which opens smoothly and provides simple access for moving plants or adjusting equipment, is one of the tent's most practical features. A clever addition for organizing supplies is the built-in storage pocket. Additionally, this model has two transparent observation windows that make it simple to keep an eye on your plants without upsetting the interior environment. The windows are useful, but they do significantly lower the tent's overall light-blocking surface, so appropriate arrangement is essential. It is easy to install and requires no tools at all, making it suitable for beginners. You should be able to assemble a grow tent in a matter of minutes, even if it's your first time. Cleaning is made much simpler with the integrated waterproof floor tray, which adds in catching spillage. Vegetables, herbs, flowers, and small fruiting plants can all be grown in this adaptable tent. Its size gives you a lot of flexibility and works great in balconies, closets, and basements. All things considered, it's a reliable and user-friendly choice for compact indoor growing setups. Number 2. ATOUR. If you want enough area for a healthy indoor garden without taking up all of your space, the ATOUR 48x24x60-inch grow tent is a terrific mid-size solution. Its interior is equipped with a reflective polyester film that makes the most of your grow lights and ensures that plants will receive uniform coverage from every angle. The tent feels solid and stable thanks to the sturdy 600D fabric and sturdy metal support poles, while the double stitching and reinforced zippers reduce light leakage. Planning your grow arrangement is crucial because, although the structure is strong, the height may seem a little restrictive for tall or quickly developing plants. The observation window, which allows you to check on your garden without unzipping the entire tent, is one of its most notable features. In addition to saving you from having to open and close the front door all the time, this helps control temperature, humidity, and airflow. Although the window is straightforward and well designed, you will need to be aware of light exposure in bright spaces. Particularly when watering or transplanting, the tent's detachable floor tray makes cleanup spills and runoff spills considerably simpler. Installation is also surprisingly easy. If you're new to indoor growing, you can assemble the entire tent without any equipment. You may set up your garden wherever you choose thanks to ATOUR's design, which works well in closets, basements, balconies, and extra rooms. All things considered, it provides a dependable mix of robustness, use, and light efficiency, making it a sensible option for both novice and seasoned growers. Number 1. JALUNIVERSAL Try. For anyone looking to build a sturdy indoor growing place, the JALUNIVERSAL Tri 24x24x48-inch grow tent is a small but powerful solution. Its interior is lined with a thick reflective polyester fabric that helps distribute light uniformly throughout the tent, guaranteeing that your plants receive constant light. The thick Oxford cloth on the outside aids in keeping the proper humidity and temperature as well as sealing in light. For vegetables, herbs, flowers, and tiny fruiting plants, this combination produces a remarkably stable environment. However, taller types may need some deliberate plant training due to the limited height. The observation glass, which allows you to check on your plants without opening the main entrance and upsetting the layout, is one of the most convenient features. Additionally, the tent has several connections to attach fans and filters, as well as mesh-covered rectangle vents for ventilation. Although these vents aid in airflow, a well-matched ventilation system is still necessary to prevent heat buildup in such a small area. Another advantage is durability. Thick 0.8mm steel poles, which feel robust and can support a substantial amount of weight from the lights or extras, are used in the frame. For growers who are frequently in and out of their tents, the heavy-duty zipper is also smooth and less likely to snag. This is an excellent option for novices because setup is simple and requires no tools. To keep your gear organized, it even includes an integrated tool bag. All things considered, it's a dependable, user-friendly grow tent that works well on balconies, in basements, and in apartments, ideal for easily starting a modest indoor garden. This concludes our list of the best grow tents, from little setups to fully functional kits. Each one offers something special to assist you in creating a more controlled and healthful indoor garden. The correct tent can make all the difference, whether you're experimenting with herbs, caring for leafy greens, or beginning a full grow operation. The models we discussed today include clever features and keep your setup stress-free and your plants happy, such as reflective interiors, quiet ventilation, sturdy frames, and easy access windows. Remember to subscribe to the Legit Pick channel if you like this analysis and would want more frank, useful suggestions. Stay tuned, your next growth update may be just one video away.